Fun on the train! Recorded! Cause I'm a G. Yeah. Ooh, look, a tree. How fun. Ooh. Please keep feet inside the car at all times. Okay. There's some people, and there is the lake. And there is a little hole. A bench. Oh look, there are some people over there. Yeah, bled, yeah, bled. Yeah, bled. And there are some crops. There are many different varieties of crops, but this is wheat. As wheat can be made into bread. Do not interrupt the tour guide. And there is another tree. And a shrub. Oh look, there are some pedophiles. There is Georgia, there is Ryan, there is Zoe, there is Lizzie, Amy. There's Jack, and there's Lizzie over there. Hello, Ryan. Oh look, some people playing football. You can't see them that well because I can't zoom in for some reason. And there is a dog. Hello! Ooh, sounds like some thunder's coming. Maybe that's some rain. Some people making out. Maybe. You don't know, lover's paradise. And here is the playground. I'm not going to take too many videos of this because I might be misconstrued as a pedophile. And back to the sign again. And now we're going back into the main building. Oh look, a fence. And we are just coming back into the station now. This is so much fun. Oh look, there is a sign. It says something.